What is up, guys? David here from 3 Point Slow Gang, and on this small episode we're doing this little special, putting some seats in the Nomad. So you guys know, you guys have to pick up. We got these bench seats. The other one goes over here, and I talked to John's brother Jacob, does a lot of welding stuff, and I want to put some I got some Honda Civic seats. Well, you saw that in the previous video where we go to the junkyard, and I picked them up pretty cheap, and I really like them, so we're gonna put them on here. All right, Jacob, what's going on?
What's up, guys? So what we're doing here, these are the old seats. We're gonna cut the brackets off. The easiest way to do it is make a frame, make sure it's all squared, and then transfer it over to the new seats, and it makes it life a lot easier when you're doing this, because you don't have to take the seats in and out of the truck. You just have it welded together, and yeah, that's about it. So this is just scrap metal that I'm using to make a frame, transfer it over to that seat, and it shouldn't take that long. Within an hour or less, we should do both seats.
Also, guys, I apologize, I forgot my GoPro, so I'm filming with my iPhone, but the iPhone does it really good. Honestly, for video camera, it does actually pretty good. So these are the seats right here. So they're off of probably a 2000, I think it's 2005 Honda Civic SI. So they come with these really nice seats. This is like suede. I haven't cleaned them up at all, dude. I need to clean them up. I need to fix that. But for now, these are pretty good for being junkyard seats. So it's got suede and it's got this little racing seat looking thing. I really like them. They're gonna look really nice with the pickup. It's got even red stitching. I really like them.
Okay, so forget what I said earlier about squaring it off, just figure it out. Because I just took the whole thing off because it broke when I was taking these off. And just get the measurements before you cut it off. So I know them, they're like 17, and then the other one's like 18. And just make sure they're the same on the other seat, and they should bolt right up. Test fit them.
Yeah.
Before we load them all in.
So Jacob, they fit?
Yeah, all the holes line up. Just one, I need just one, but the screw's broken, so I might not even worry about it.
Yeah.
So it's only have 3 seats, but yeah, these are way comfortable. We went to Lowe's in it right now, and then we went to Home Depot, but they're way better than the stock seats.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, I haven't even tried them, but yeah, they look a lot more plush. And
I don't know if you want to try it, see the heights, if it's right or not right now, because these are the stock brackets off the Toyota. Right now they're just tacked, so I just need to weld them in, and then they should be good.
all right, guys, well, the seats are almost done. Jacob's just finishing up that one, but we already test fitted them, and they're great. They're so comfortable, by the way. They really grip you because of this. They're really nice. I gotta get them cleaned up though. But for now, they're perfect. And seat belts, I'm gonna take those off. obviously use, they don't match, seat belts don't match. But it's perfect. Welded it, put some spray paint on that. I'm gonna throw them back in there. Well, there you have it, guys. Jacob, how hard was that? As an experienced welder, how hard was that?
It's the first one's always the hardest one. But it didn't take that long. The second one the first one took like 30 minutes. The second one took like about 10.
Yeah.
So it's just getting the hang of it and figuring everything out at first.
Yeah. Not bad, man. All right, guys. It's been about 2 weeks, and let me show you guys the seats. Okay. So here are the seats. They came out really nice. It's a little harder to get in here because of this side padding. So these seats, for sure, like these seats kind of hug you. And the other thing is that you're gonna be sitting a little taller. You can see how I look in the truck. I'm 6 foot. You can kind of get a little lower, you know, not too bad. But I really like these seats. I wouldn't change them. They're perfect and they look really nice. All right, guys, then before we finish the episode, gotta say that Jacob does his own fabrication. So if you guys are interested, this bumper was made by him. It's on the pickup. Jacob, show us what other stuff you got.
Okay, so I normally do a bunch of barbecue pits. Last week I got out 5. This week I have these. I need to get them all out today. And then I also do roll cages. I have a pipe bender right here. So I have different dice. This is just one. And then I have this roll cage that I'm almost done with it. I just haven't finished it welding all the way.
Yeah.
So it's a 8-point cage. It's just been here for a month already. I just been lazy and haven't been wanting to finish in it. And I also do my Forerunner. I sold all my parts. Like I sold the front bumpers to David, the rock sliders I sold them to Jake, and then my rear bumper I pulled it off. But I need to redo them. And it's been, I don't know how long, but I have an exo cage on it. Never finished welding it. I need to do that because I probably want to get rid of it soon because I have too many vehicles. So yeah, I just need to redo all my bumpers, rock sliders, roll cage, and yeah. But this truck runs pretty good. Took it to Florida, came back in it. Yeah, it's really cold AC. It runs good. I parked it for 3 months. I thought my transmission went out, and it was just my transfer case that locked up, and it was a quick fix, and it's back on the road again.
Nice. Well, guys, if you guys need any work,
call me, or I mean, you could DM me on my Instagram if you want.
What's your Instagram?
I have no idea.
I was like, I don't even know it.
I think it's Jacob _Rivetta _57.
I'll put it in the description, guys. By the time I'm editing this, I'll definitely have it for y'all.
Yeah, I don't post on it. I haven't posted since I broke my back, but I'm always on it, so you can message me and I'll message you.
Yeah, just direct message. Cool, man. Awesome. All right, guys. Well, that's it for this episode. Stay tuned for more 3 Point Slow Gang episodes. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.